बच्चों, मेरे प्यारे यंग एक्सप्लोरर्स, आज हम कुछ ऐसा सीखने वाले हैं जिसमें आपको बहुत मजा आएगा एंड ऑल्सो यू विल लर्न सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इडली, डोसा, पनीर, चीज, अमूल बटर एंड दिस. सर्दी, खांसी, कोरोना. What is in common all these things? इन सब चीजों में कॉमन क्या है? Any guess? Yes. You might be thinking of bacteria or virus. Today, you all are living in corona pandemic situation. So you are aware about so many things. And also what you see around you before corona also. कोरोना के पहले अगर आप टीवी के एडवर्टीजमेंट सोचते होंगे, देखते होंगे, तो क्या आप देखते हैं? डिशुम डिशुम करने वाला टूथपेस्ट, जर्म को मारने वाला साबुन, या 4 गुना कीटाणु मारने वाला फिनेल. व्हाट ऑल दीज एडवर्टीजमेंट्स ऑल अबाउट? It is basically telling you that you have to fight with the germs and they are dangerous to your health. Can you see the germs? You're using sanitizer nowadays and applying that sanitizer on your hand to kill coronavirus. Many times coronavirus may not be on your hand, but still you are using sanitizer or washing your hands continuously with the soap and water. Today you all are aware about these things, but imagine a situation some hundreds of years back in 18th century, 19th century. There was a person who was telling to doctors, आप पेशेंट चेक करने के पहले और पेशेंट को चेक करने के बाद यू हैव टू वॉश योर हैंड्स एंड ऑल्सो द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यू आर यूजिंग टू चेक योर पेशेंट्स लाइक सीजर और नीडल और इंजेक्शन सिरिंज, you have to boil that in hot water just to save lives of many patients. He was telling this thing and many doctors, rather all the doctors making fun of him. उसको सब बोल रहे थे कि क्या पागलपन बोल रहा है ये, इसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है. But that person was continuously telling these things and name of that person was, any guess? I guess you are reading his name daily in your house, in kitchen. When you open the fridge to take out the butter, on the butter box you are reading his name. कोई guess? Yes, Louis Pasteur. And you must be reading pasteurized milk, pasteurized butter. The word or the phrase pasteurized came from his work. So Louis Pasteur did a lot work. In 1860 he proposed the theory of germ theory of diseases. I repeat, in 1860 he proposed the theory that germ theory of diseases, and he told there are living things or microorganisms which are not visible to us causing death of many people. Like today, the unseen coronavirus, the virus which you cannot see, killing lakhs of people around the world. But in those days people used to say people are dying because of curse of God. कुछ आपने गलत काम किया है, आपसे भगवान रूठा है, सो लाखों लोग मर रहे हैं. Louis Pasteur told in 1860 that people are not dying because of curse of God. People are dying because of we are not taking proper precautions, and those bacteria living around us, they are killing us. Again people make fun of him. How the tiny thing which are not visible to your eyes can kill a big human like us. everyone fooled Louis Pasteur. And Louis Pasteur was very much, he have to leave the Paris. People tortured him. And he has to leave the Paris and went into smaller village. But he continued his research. And today we know his methods to preserve milk or to preserve many samples. He told if you rise the temperature, bacteria gets killed at certain temperature. So we are doing pasteurized milk, and which is stored or used for longer time. He was the person who invented vaccination. You all are waiting for vaccination of coronavirus. But he invented a vaccine for rabies, and that too again in 1885. At that time, people were not believing him. People were not believing that the world, micro world exists. But today we have accepted this thing. So, जो micro world हमारे around है, bacteria and viruses, but apart from that, there are so many things which we can see, but they are not visible to your eyes. So, which instrument we need to see such things? We need microscope. So, microscope, scope means instrument. Telescope, microscope, stethoscope, periscope, kaleidoscope. There are different kinds of scopes are around us. So, scope word means instrument. And micro means the micro things which are not visible to us, to our naked eyes. So, we will use this microscope which was invented by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in 17th-18th century. So, we use this microscope. You must be using magnifying glass. The same working, just we need more magnification. Because using magnifying glass, you use that magnifying glass to read letters or to read your palm. But that magnification is not sufficient to see microorganisms. So you need more magnification to see them. Some 10x, 100x, 1000x magnification is required. How much tiny they are? You take a scale and find 1 millimeter on a scale. So if you divide that 1 millimeter into 1000 equal part, if you divide 1 millimeter into 1000 equal parts, it will be 1 micrometer. So 1000 micrometer is equal to 1 millimeter. And there are certain things which are on micrometer. For example, in आप सड़क पे देखते हो कि बहुत सारा पानी सड़क के गड्ढों में भरा हुआ है. That is not good water. So by any chance अगर वो पानी आपके शरीर पे आ गया तो आप क्लियरली घर पे आके वॉश करते हो, because you are afraid of bacteria from that water. उसमें क्या होता है? The paramecium, if the common microorganism found is a paramecium, and the size of paramecium is around 400 micron or 400 micrometers. So let's say you can say half a millimeter. So up to half millimeter you can see with your naked eyes. You must be looking, if you अगर आप पानी देखते हो, गंदा पानी देखते हो, उसमें कुछ हिल रहा ऐसे दिखता है आपको, कुछ तो हिल रहा है लेकिन दिख नहीं रहा है. That is paramecium, the movement of paramecium. They are living things like you and us. So the size of that paramecium is around 400 microns. But microorganisms are much smaller than this. So many a times microns unit भी कम पड़ जाता है. So we use nanometer. So what is nanometer? आपने 1 मिलीमीटर के 1000 इक्वल पार्ट्स किए तो वो जो लास्ट वाला पार्ट है उसको हम बोलेंगे 1 माइक्रोमीटर. और उस 1 माइक्रोमीटर के अगर आप वापस 1000 इक्वल पार्ट्स करेंगे, you will reach to nanometer. So 1000 nanometer is equal to 1 micrometer. And all the viruses, it may be a coronavirus, Ebola virus, all viruses, the diameter of those viruses in nanometer, they are very, 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 very small. And to see all these things, we need a microscope. But definitely, to watch the viruses, you need electron microscope. This facility of watching microorganisms or viruses is at very limited places, that electron microscope. But using simple microscope, we can see many things. और आज हम वही explore करेंगे. You also will enjoy exploring things around you. Like you can see insects, the eyes of cockroach, so many things, or the mustache of cockroach. You can see many things using this microscope. So remember the micro world living around us. And also I will tell you, जब मैंने लेक्चर के शुरुआत में पूछा था कि इडली, बटर, पनीर, कोरोना, इन सब चीजों में क्या कॉमन है, तो दैट इज बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस. बट रिमेंबर ऑल द टाइम बैक्टीरियाज आर नॉट हार्मफुल. जनरली हमें ऐसे सब बताया जाता है, या एडवर्टीजमेंट से हमारे ऊपर बहुत बम्बार्डिंग है कि बैक्टीरियाज एंड वायरसेस आर हार्मफुल टू अस. एक्चुअली very less amount of bacteria and viruses are harmful to us. On the contrary, they are useful to us many a times. Like you have lactobacillus in milk, which is useful to make curd from milk. So when you eat curd, actually you are eating microorganisms, lactobacillus. और वही मिल्क जब आप कर्ड करेंगे, और कर्ड बहुत दिन ज्यादा रखने के बाद थोड़ा सा येलोइश होगा. आपने देखा होगा कि ममा ये टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा बिटर लग रहा है, आई डोंट लाइक दिस कर्ड. इफ यू नोटिस्ड, अ येलोइश लेयर इज फॉर्म ऑन दैट कर्ड. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोसेस ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, एंड दे क्रिएट ब्यूटेरिक एसिड into that curd. Even the paneer, you like paneer a lot, but वो पनीर कौन तैयार करता है? That paneer is not prepared by your mama or any other person or in factory. Microorganisms are working to make that paneer out of the milk. और इसका अगर आप देखेंगे पनीर कैसे हमें मिल गया, तो इसका स्टोरी भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. There was a person who used to carry milk from one place to another place. But आज जैसे आपके पास प्लास्टिक बैग है, या मिल्क कैन है, या थर्मस है to carry that milk from one place to another place, at that time that facility was not there. So the person used, जैसे एक थैली होता है चमड़े का, leather bag they used to carry in leather bag, and specifically the stomach bag of animals. So they put that milk in stomach bag of animal and carry on their back from one place to another place. But one day, the person carrying that milk in the leather bag, stomach bag, from one place to another place took longer time to reach his destination. बीच में कोई उसका दोस्त मिल गया, गप्पे मारता रहा, और बहुत सारी चीजें हो गई, उसको उसके डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचने में बहुत टाइम लग गया. And by the time he reaches and open the bag, stomach bag, milk is not coming out of it. कुछ सॉलिड चीज बाहर आ गई. ही टेस्टेड इट एंड इट वॉज यमी. अब ये कैसे हुआ? सो इन स्टमक बैग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स वेर देयर, एंड दे स्टार्टेड फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस, और उसमें से पनीर मिल गया. सो टुडे ऑल्सो सी, व्हेन यू ईट समथिंग, in our intestine, in our stomach, lot and lot of microorganisms are there. आपके पूरे इंटेस्टाइन में, स्टमक में बहुत सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, बहुत सारे बैक्टीरियाज है. but they are helpful to us. I repeat, micro world or microorganisms are helpful to us than they are harmful to us. अगर आपका ये गट फ्लोरा, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ए गट फ्लोरा, एंड अगर ये गट फ्लोरा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है किसी भी कारण से, आप बीमार पड़ते हो और फिर आपको वो गट फ्लोरा वापस लाने के लिए मेडिसिन दिया जाता है. यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल ऑन योर डाइट. और ये गट फ्लोरा जिसका ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है वो कभी भी बीमार नहीं पड़ते हैं. एंड मेनी टाइम्स आपकी जो भी आदतें अगर रहेंगी कि यू एवरी टाइम सैनिटाइज योर हैंड्स. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इन कोरोना पैंडेमिक. बिफोर कोरोना पैंडेमिक इवन पीपल यूज टू कैरी अ सैनिटाइजर पाउच, और बिफोर इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉशिंग हैंड्स you just take 2 drops of sanitizer and wash your hands. I killed the germs. बच्चों, आप जब सैनिटाइजर से अपने हाथ वॉश करते हो तो what you are doing? Along with bad bacteria, you are killing more good bacteria on your hand, which are more essential for your good health. और आपकी इम्यूनिटी उनके ऊपर डिपेंड होती है. Don't take pride. मैं तो सिर्फ बिस्लरी वाटर पीता हूं, मैं तो बाहर का खाना खाता नहीं, मैं आई एम वेरी मच कंसर्न अबाउट द हाइजीन. जितना आप इन बारे में सोचेंगे, इसका मतलब है कि आप अपनी इम्यूनिटी कम कर रहे हो. अगर गलती से भी आपको आदत है कि आपको सिर्फ बिस्लरी वाटर पीना है, आपको सिर्फ अच्छा पानी पीना है, और गलती से भी आपने अगर कोई बाहर का पानी पी लिया तो यू फेल सिक इमीडिएटली. आपका डाइजेशन खराब हो जाता है, आपको लूज मोशन होता है. क्यों? बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज नॉट इम्यून टू अकोमोडेट, टू अडॉप्ट विद द बैक्टीरिया और जर्म्स. सो दैट इज वाई डोंट टेक प्राइड इन सेइंग दैट आई ईट पानी पूरी विद बिस्लरी. नथिंग ग्रेट इन दैट. रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू बी वेरी मच इम्यून. आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, आपका गट फ्लोरा बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए. देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू फाइट. अब देखिए, यू मस्ट हैव सीन मेनी पीपल, मेनी पुअर पीपल, दे आर ईटिंग एवरीवेयर, दे आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एनीवेयर, बट स्टिल दे आर वेरी मच स्ट्रांग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू शुड डू दैट, but at least we should keep our body that much healthy and that much immune. अगर ये नहीं होगा, then you will feel sick all the time. So you have to maintain that microflora in your body. So I repeat, don't use sanitizer a lot, because you are killing good bacteria which are essential for your health. Of course, in corona pandemic, you have to take care, but instead of using sanitizer, you can use soap, water and other things. और कोरोना खत्म होने के बाद भी आप बहुत साल रहने वाले हैं. सो आदतें बदलो and live with harmony with the micro world. Because of them only we are living. We cannot live without micro world. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. सो आज हम देखेंगे कि माइक्रोस्कोप. सो आई हैव दिस माइक्रोस्कोप इन अ बॉक्स. सो लेट अस सी व्हाट इज इन देयर. वी हैव समथिंग, अ गुड माइक्रोस्कोप. सो व्हाट इज देयर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई विल टेल यू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द माइक्रोस्कोप एंड हाउ टू मेक इट प्रिपेयर. यू विल फाइंड अ राउंड ग्लास which is transparent. So insert that round glass here and lock it with the brackets here. So yes, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, यही मैं बता रहा था आपको. If you hold the microscope and hold it like this, glass will definitely going to fall. अगर ये glass break हो गया तो you will not have other glass. So lock it properly on this. After this, you will see a mirror here. So many a times I will just remove this mirror and see this mirror. This mirror is adjustable. So just you can see, you put it from the two sides. This is called as a mirror stand, and we need light. because these microorganisms are tiny and many times they are transparent. So when light passes through their body, they are visible. Even you have to see small tiny things like हम बहुत सारी चीजें आज देखने वाले हैं. So we need more light to fall on the object. That is why we are using this transparent glass and this mirror. And then here you have a focuser. So ये focuser जब आप नीचे ऊपर करेंगे तो ये नीचे ऊपर होगा. And this here you can see, I will just show you. This is an arm, like a robotic arm. So you can adjust because the object आप रखेंगे यहाँ पे center बीच में और उसके ऊपर आपका ये आना चाहिए aim through this. But and sometimes it may happen that you are observing and you are taking it up with a focuser and now this is not moving anywhere. ये खराब हो गया? Definitely not. This is coming out. So you will find a notch here. This will go inside. Just press it a bit. अगर ये आपको बाहर नहीं निकालना है लेकिन गलती से अगर ऐसा कुछ हो गया, so आप इसको ऐसे डालेंगे अंदर and then you will just press it a bit and this will work. But actually whatever मैंने आपको ये बताया ये माइक्रोस्कोप नहीं है. What is this? This is just a structure. तो माइक्रोस्कोप कहाँ है? Microscope is this, the small thing. This we call as an eyepiece, and if you open it, you will find two lenses. Basically, we are using plano-convex lenses for magnification. So we kept two lenses in this, and this is acting as a microscope. So we will place it here we will insert it from the ring like this, and then you will place the object here on the glass, transparent glass. And remember, when you are observing anything, this mirror should be towards light, maybe an artificial light or a window. So do this experiment not in dark room, but in a room where you have a lot of natural light or artificial light. And this focuser. And what will be your position? So remember, when you are observing, this focuser wheel should be towards your body and this mirror should be away from your body. And first of all, I will tell you how to observe. So hold it with your one hand and your two fingers on focuser. So you will focus it and you will peep through the microscope or eyepiece, and while doing you will focus it up and down. Remember, if you hold it in this way, this is wrong because you are obstructing light. So always remember, you will hold microscope or observe through microscope in this position. So ये माइक्रोस्कोप से हमें बहुत सारी चीजें देखनी है and we will perform lot of experiments using this microscope. आपको जो भी देखना है इसके नीचे फटाफट आपको कलेक्शन करना है. आप फूल लाइए, पान पत्ते लाइए, get so many things and watch under this microscope. Even you can collect some insects, but don't kill the insects. Just collect the insects and whatever you want to see. And also you can take photograph from this eyepiece. So let's explore the micro world. Now we will observe very small flower of bougainville under microscope. So plug that small flower of bougainville with the forceps and keep it on a transparent glass. Now if I have kept camera instead of your eyes. What can you see is a blurred thing, unfocused. So use the focuser and try to go up and down until you see a very clear and sharp object. Now here you can see a sharp object. So this is the tiny flower, and in between you can see those yellow color pollen grains of this small very tiny flower. So this is very small flower of bougainville. Now we have kept a cotton piece under microscope and let's check how that cotton is made up of. It's very tiny threads, a net or mesh of very tiny threads. You will see, yes, they are visible. So this is the structure of cotton thread. You can see, and even you can move that cotton thread. Either you can move the piece with the tweezer or forceps to see structure at different places. See, in the center nothing is visible clearly, but when you go to the edge, clearly you can see the structure of those fibers. So this is cotton thread, and in continuation with this we will see when the small threads are woven to make a cloth, how they look. Now we will see a piece of cloth under microscope. Remember, it is made up of very tiny threads, and you can see different patterns in which they have woven with each other. Look at the pattern. Now I will show you the photograph or what exactly this piece looks like, but here you can see how these threads are interconnected with each other, and look at the edge. This is how they are. And when you do it with hand loom, nowadays no one is using hand loom, so all these clothes pattern are made on the machine. So you can see here how they are made in different pattern. You can use different clothes and see their different patterns. This pattern is not same for all. So observe different types of clothes. Now we have white cloth under microscope. So let us see how those threads are woven and what is the pattern. So go and see the pattern. This pattern is different for different kinds of clothes. Now, if you use the mask of such cloth, what will happen? See how many pores are there, and viruses are so small that lakhs and lakhs of viruses can enter through any one of these small holes. So even though the piece of cloth looks like uniform, but actually they are not, if that is a lot of pores are there. So that is why we need to use 3-layer mask to prevent from any viruses or dust. Now we will observe sugar under the microscope. You all know how sugar looks. Let us have a look of sugar crystals under microscope. Wow! Aren't they looks like a diamond? So this is the sugar crystal. You can see under microscope, and see the structure of sugar crystals. Naturally they are like this, and we will see if we add when a small drop of water in sugar. So just take a small drop of water in the dropper and add that water into the sugar crystal carefully and see how these gets dissolved. So I am just adding a drop of water here. So you will see when I add water, even I will you can see these crystals are losing their corner shape. They are losing their sharp edge and sugar is dissolving in water. And even you can see colors coming out of the image. That is because of the refraction, light passing through the slide, through the water and through sugar crystals. So let me add one more drop of water. Now we will see common salt under microscope. You will not see great crystals like sugar when you are observing this salt crystals under microscope. But we have to do one more thing. We have to prepare a saturated solution of sugar and salt and keep it for drying, and let us see how those crystals also look like. Now I am going to add a drop of water in this salt and let us see how this salt dissolves in water. You will see I have added water, a drop of water. You can clearly see the movement. Also you can try changing the angle of mirror. So I am changing the angle of mirror and see where this looks good. After this we will see crystals of saturated salt and saturated sugar. Now let us see what is under the microscope, if you can identify this. Can you identify this, what it is? This is a dead spider. I will just adjust the focus. Let me adjust it. So this is dead spider. and you can see its eyes as well. Here these are the eyes of the dead spider. I will just move the needle. I have kept this on a needle. So you can see legs. Now we will see what is under the microscope. Yes, now you can see the black eyes of ant. That ant is right now swimming in a drop of water, because if I put a live ant, it will just go here and there. So I have just added 2-3 drops of water, and that ant is now currently swimming in the water. Here you can see the ant. You can try changing the angle of mirror. What best you can see. But eyes are beautiful. And also you can see the mouth of the ant, the stomach of the ant. You can take as many insects like cockroach or some more insects, mosquito, under the microscope. So now it's time to leave this ant back in nature.